Bend the knee, my lord. Greetings again, kneelers. Today is part 2 for the Game of Thrones accent challenge, and today I shall be doing my best to put on a posh or middle class English, British, common tongue accent for your enjoyment and my absolute personal amusement. What is my name? My name is Donald Williams. My username is Don Willie, and I have no blog. Secondly, where do I live? I currently reside in Brooklyn, New York City, United States of America. Third, last time I pronounced words that were already pre-fashioned. This time I decided to provide my own list of words that I shall pronounce. Eddard, Night's Watch, Tyrion, Hatchface, Greyjoy, Karstark, Brynden, Dothraki, Arbor, Strong Beowulfs, Volantis, King's Landing, Sandor, Jaehaerys, Kevon, Peter Baelish, Valerion, Greywater Watch, Dance, Varys, Dracarys. Fourth, which house am I from? Well, seeing how I happen to like a bit of finery myself, I would have to say that I am from House Lannister. Nothing more to be said there. Number 5. Which of the 5 kings do I fight for? Balon Greyjoy. Why? Because this is a man who wants his own kingdom rather than kneeling to those who are not necessarily his better. 6. Favorite character. I'd have to say my favorite character is Tywin Lannister. Here is a man who wanted to carve out his own destiny, and while he was stifled by the king who he worked so hard to keep his kingdoms under control, he did not let that deter him from seizing opportunity when it so suited him. Favorite sigil and words. I'd have to say my favorite sigil is House Blackwood. I'd have to say my favorite words are the words of the Golden Company. Beneath the gold, the bitter steel. North, south, or across the narrow sea? I'd venture to say south. I happen to like beaches, and Dawn seems like it would be a very, very lovely place to visit this time of year. Who do you think will sit the Iron Throne in the end? Well, if I had to guess based on military strength and overall support, I would imagine that it would be Daenerys. She has dragons, she has armies, and she has the will and the skill to take over Westeros. Shaggy Dog, Grey Wind, Summer, Lady, Nymeria, or Ghost. See, out of all of these wolves, I'd have to say Grey Wind. Grey Wind was battle-tested. He was loyal to a fault, and he tried to warn Robb of the Red Wedding. Unfortunately, Robb didn't listen, and they both lost their lives. Would I join the Night's Watch? Why would I want to join an order filled with thieves, murderers, rapists, and exiles? Bunch of rapscallions, all of them. Nothing honorable about joining the Night's Watch. It is a death sentence. It is where you go to die. So, no Night's Watch for me. Most hated character. Most hated character, probably Eddard Stark. Yes, Lord Eddard Stark, the Honorable Ned. I hate him because he had an opportunity to do the right thing by the realm, and instead he decided that honor is more important than actually keeping your head. So, yes, Eddard Stark is my most hated character. Khaleesi or Queen? Well, unfortunately, Khaleesi isn't actually a queen. We all know that Khalasar doesn't necessarily follow a Khaleesi. It follows a Khal. What civilized person would want to be leader of a band of savages. So I will take Queen anytime. Dragons or dire wolves? Personally, I'd have to say neither. Both are undisciplined beasts. And, with regards to dragons, unless you happen to have blood magic or something of the like, you can't actually expect to control them. So, give me a Dextry or a Garen any day. No dire wolves or dragons for this man here. Which gods do you pray to? Well, I would have to say I'm a faithful follower of the seven. Let the Northerners keep their tree gods and this business with the fire god of the Lord. Bah, the seven is who I worship as a good southerner. My favorite line from the books: only Renly could vex me with a piece of fruit. He brought his doom on himself with his treason, but I did love him, Davos. I know that now. I swear, I will go to my grave thinking of my brother's peach. Thank you again for listening. Hope you enjoyed this video of me and my absolutely bollocks English accent. You already know the deal. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, come back for more, and I will be back with part 3 of the accent challenge, where I shall endeavor to do another accent. That has been my time. Dawn Willie, I'm out.